Okay, I gotta start recording. I'm not even recording. Okay, 3. Okay, 3.
Okay.
Hey guys, in today's video,
Today is America opening boxing.
yeah, we're gonna be opening this Patriotic furby and my friend here. So sorry they're weird, but literally okay. Okay guys, so let me start by cutting the tape. Okay, I was planning on keeping this guy new in box, but like I changed my mind, so literally.
Oh my goodness, trigger warning, nice y'all.
Okay.
Trigger warning. Oh my goodness, stop.
I can't even cut it. I'm not going to.
You're not even getting it in this screen.
Oh, whoops. Okay, wait. Let me edit the settings. Okay, I set it to super wide. Now you can actually see what I'm doing.
Not
so,
really.
well, I'll like tilt the box. It's not. It's like stuck here.
Bro,
there we go.
Okay.
Oh, okay, bro.
Are you recording?
Yes, I'm recording. Okay, there we go.
So what are you unboxing?
We are unboxing this guy. Wow,
I'm gonna waste some money. Oh.
No, it's not. It's beautiful. I love him. Okay, anyways. Okay, cutting the bottom now. Can't even cut it.
Giga pet?
Yeah.
Giga?
Yeah, it's because
so
it was based
cute.
off of a Tamagotchi, so it's like the first Giga pet you can actually pet.
touch.
Okay, guys. I literally missed one, guys, so sorry, my friend makes weird noises sometimes, but that's okay.
Nice, that's you, but you're just blaming it on me.
Yeah, sure, buddy. Okay, time to undo the tabs. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys. Can't get it open. There we go.
Oh
my goodness.
my goodness. That is so cool.
I know, literally. I'm like
Oh
crazy.
my
A
goodness,
Furby baby ad
babies,
right
they're
now.
so cute.
Yeah, I know.
Guys, you better
Look at
subscribe.
that, bro. Just be careful with it.
Furby babies will be here soon.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, guys. Okay.
Bro,
What is that?
Scam. This is
CM?
a fake
It's
baby.
literally not a scam. Wait, I have no clue what those
I'm
are.
gonna Google
I've
it.
never like seen that in my life.
What is CM?
I
Centimeters.
don't know what those numbers are.
It means
You see
centimeters.
that?
It's how many centimeters.
Oh. Okay.
Does CM
Oops, I forgot a pair of
mean
scissors.
Furby box?
That's okay. Okay, guys. Time to untwist it from the box right now. Oh, why are they so loose? Oh my goodness. What are you doing? Okay.
Fear that they might be used for the point.
Wait, why are these so loose? These are like not tied in at
Because the other
all.
person, they didn't put it back up. Or
Oh, okay, totally. Because this is like totally not a new unboxing right now. Wait, there's one tab thingy.
oh, like you bought it, never touched before?
Yeah, that's why there's tape on
It's
there.
kind of scam.
Oh, okay. It's kind of not a scam right now. This is from Factory WT, so it should work pretty good.
Washington?
Oh, sure, buddy.
Oh, it's from China.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
China.
It's the second tab. And then
Ichi
I'm gonna like,
Factory Furby.
I'm gonna just be careful with this, and then there we go. And then, oh, I freaking missed a piece of tape.
Still issue.
Okay. Okay.
How do you date a Furby?
What? Oh my goodness. Can't even cut this. Okay, there. Did I miss any more? I don't think so. Okay. Okay.
Did you guys know that Furbies don't record us? Probably. Many of the devices we use on a daily basis actually do.
I can't get this open. Hold on. Okay, I got it. One. And there's a second one. Yeah.
Did you notice the star underneath its beak doesn't look like a star?
Yeah, I know. That's so crazy. It kind of looks like an A or something. But yeah. Okay, guys. Oh wait, I gotta.
Stinks! Why are you releasing the Furby gas?
Oh my gosh, it's literally falling. I forgot to cut the tabs for the feet. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna cut the tabs. I'm kind of scared it's just gonna like straight up fall out. Oh my gosh, how am I gonna actually do this? Hold on. I might have to pause the video for a sec.
A little Mayla, Furby's romp and play. They liked Furby says, and Furby hide and seek. In the future, they could peek all day long. They would dance and sing. Furbies could do almost
There it goes,
anything.
man.
Then one day, Kabu Otoma, Yukai, and Kalomela, they decided it was time to search for the place Furbies called Earth. And so they went in one big crowd to the very edge of the Furby red cloud. What if they fall off?
I don't even know.
At the edge, sorry, they looked ba and saw the world so round, so alo, a Yutai.
Oh my
The sky
goodness.
was blue. The
That's so
Furbies left a new
beautiful.
review.
Oh my goodness, why is this back? What?
It's so beautiful.
Oh,
Can I touch it?
yeah, you can touch it.
It's so ugly. Oh my goodness, like red color is beautiful, guys.
Oh my goodness, guys. Yeah, for real. It's actually really soft.
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta take these little tab things out.
Free him from his misery.
Yeah.
Do it carefully, it might hurt him.
He will be
He
okay.
has feelings, you know.
There we go. Okay, guys. Now, oh wait, I forgot batteries.
Everyone subscribe.
Okay, I got some batteries and a screwdriver. So,
Did you ask for consent first?
here, get out. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Why is it so jittery?
I don't even know. Okay, guys, let's see. There we go. Why are you touching it?
Why are you not touching it?
Because,
4 batteries.
yes, 4 batteries, buddy. Okay. Let's see, guys. Does it work? Hold on.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Are you gonna work right out of the box? No.
It
Of
doesn't
course
work?
not. Hold on, I will fix him. Just give me like 20 seconds. Okay. First thing, I'm gonna do a reset. With these pair of scissors. Oh my god. Wait, it can't even fit. Hold on. And nothing. Okay. So now, trust.
What?
That's how you wake them up.
It's gonna break on me.
No, it's not. Oh, let me try testing mode first to see if it works.
This
Oh,
is a
his
fail.
back sensor feels cringe.
Cringe.
Yeah, it feels like crunchy.
I feel.
Oh
I
wait,
don't know where it
hold on.
is.
Wait. That's a good sign. That means it's in testing mode, and that means it will work if I, like, test it. Or like, I mean, wake it up.
Wake it
Okay,
up.
so now it's not in testing mode, and I just have to keep basically stopping it, or I could pull down its beak and like do that if I wanted to, but I'm just gonna keep doing this because that always works, or most of the time it does. I might have to pause it and like, see, but trust, guys. Oh no, trust. Oh, Sigma, Ohio.
No, it was just a joke.
Oh, okay, there we go. Oh, this voice box sounds a little weird. Okay, let's see if your tilt sensor works. Hey, it works. Okay. Sound sensor? You're sick. Of course you're sick. Oh, let me reset him, because he's gonna be sick. Or if I can reset- Oh, I didn't press it. There we go.
Oh, that's my best friend.
There we go. Okay. Okay, so that didn't work. He's still sick. He said I'm very hungry. Okay, let's see. Tilt sensor. works, I think. I know you're hungry though. It might not be working right now because he's so sick, but we'll see. Okay. He might not respond to the salt sensor. Yeah, he's still sick. Oh, I'll be right back. I'm gonna get him like healthy and then I'll be right back.
He's so
Alright, he's
weird.
still sick, but his salt sensor kind of works. I think it's only upside down.
Hide that booby? Oh, sorry.
Bruh. Okay, his stomach sensor works, and his back sensor works, and his light sensor works and stuff. But he's sick still. It's been like half an hour. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Bye-bye.
Remember to like and subscribe, everybody, and hit that follow button for 5 big moves.
Okay, bye-bye.